How to see your favorites on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. So as you're logged into your account on TikTok, simply let's tap it on again. And as you launch the TikTok application, now for example, let me tap on this icon here at the right side of the screen where you can see this shape or the icon. So simply tap on it and it will turn yellow. So when you tap and it turns yellow, it shows that you have added this video to favorites. So where do you see it? Is you just have a tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there are different menus under TikTok Studio. So let's tap on this icon where we had saved as favorites, and as you do that, you'll be able to see over here. So that's how you can see your favorites on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.